maybe say like a reservation or something for
Oh no,
black people?
No, I wouldn't put any more money in America. I think they've proven that. I think they've proven that. You got stock markets falling. The Greeks have lost the money, and they're napalming and bombing the police is over there. You have other countries that have lost their mind, and they're fighting one another and throwing napalm and things of that nature. Why should you do that? I think the black man should get the money through reparation that you put in this society, and I think that he should go back to Africa.
No, you said the R word.
Huh?
You said the R word.
What's that?
I think that's a bad word in today's society.
R word?
I think you mentioned reparations.
Of course.
Well, why do you think
Because
that word is...
the society would not be a thriving society had it not been for slavery in the community. And it's time for people to stop lying to themselves. Slavery built up a mighty nation, and you'll never get anything back. You'll never get anything back. But the minute that I talk like I'm talking, then people separate from me and divide from me. When this is the truth, this is the gospel truth. This very thing will save your soul. This will save your soul. Why should you invest more money inside of a society that doesn't acknowledge you? No, you should go back to Africa, make peace with your brethren, take your education back there, take your health back there and everything else, and take the money that you made inside of this country. If you have to take it